Mini wireless keyboard with RGB backlight and touchpad. Full review in 49 seconds. This compact powerhouse fits in your hands, but punches way above its size. The mini wireless keyboard features a full QWERTY layout with stunning RGB backlit keys, a smooth built-in touchpad, media control wheel, and a navigation D-pad. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Watch it in action on a smart TV, navigating live channels on Pluto TV with zero lag, and on a laptop browsing effortlessly without touching a mouse. Setup is instant. Plug and play, no drivers needed. Compatible with smart TVs, Android TV boxes, Windows, Raspberry Pi, and more via 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Smooth typing, sleek design, total control.
I got this thing for the exact same reason as you, and it's probably because you got a computer, you want to sit on your couch, and watch your TV and use your TV, but your TV is like so much further away than monitors. So you grab one of these things. Now it is not hooked up for, I did test it, but it's not hooked up to my computer because I don't feel like a bunch of stuff closing and opening and all that kind of stuff. So this is what it looks like. The lights are not there. I mean, you can kind of tell where I'm getting at. Like the lights are not even. I really don't care about that. The coolest part about this thing is that this is gonna happen all the time. Listen, all right, ready? Like you can hear them enough, but it's not loud enough to be annoying. You got your left click, you got your right click, you got your mouse pad up here, and the cool part about this thing is it's not just a keyboard. Like you can see, like it has all of the remote controls that you would get on like a TV remote, because they know that this is what people are going to be using it for. I want to try to play some games with it and just kind of see. So the light's going to annoy me. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. So it does have a charging option. Yes, it absolutely works. And yes, it actually works really well. I'm going to go and turn it off. Turn it off. Actually, might as well keep it on. Maybe it won't try to connect. Alright, so you can see. I highly recommend it. I'm not going to go like all into everything. Really, at the end of the day, you just need to know that it works. And it really is. It's just super cool. I like it. That was 100% worth it to me. So, let me just really quickly show you, like, if I have one, let me use my right hand because it's the one. Like, if I, even one-handing it is going to be a million times faster than a row. Like, hey, what's up? Probably do that like 3 times faster with 2 hands. Just this is my review of the mobile keyboard. I like it, man. It feels really good. The lights obviously are not perfect, but I really don't care about that, to be honest. So yeah, I highly recommend that thing. It's going to be super cool. Way better than using a mouse and keyboard. 100%, a million times better. And we're going to be turning this little mini computer into an emulation console, and that's the main reason I got this thing, is because I want to be able to, you know what I mean. I don't feel like sitting in front of a TV using that thing. It's literally designed to be a console. I'm basically going to turn it into like one of these little retro emulation console things, but with more customizability and more power and more better performance, you know. But at the same time, this is a computer. I use this for work. I use it for a lot of stuff. So I'd much rather have an option for me to like have a console, you know. Like there is a benefit of having a PS5 and Xbox and Nintendo. It's like you sit down, you turn it on, you play some games. That's what I want to do with that little computer. Whereas this, I turn it on, I gotta load some stuff up, I gotta load my capture card up, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do all this stuff, and then I can finally play, you know. So yeah, I definitely recommend this thing. It's very cool.